you've ever wanted to add a GIF of your prototype or animation from Xd or Figma into your Behance project, then I finally have the solution for you. I've made 2 videos about this in the past. One where you can use Photoshop to convert an MP4 to a GIF, which works well, but it takes a very long time and only works for short animations. And I made one about a workaround you can use by uploading your MP4 to Vimeo. But even that doesn't work very well because A, you need a paid Vimeo account if you want the animation to loop, and B, it just looks kind of clunky to see the video frame from Vimeo in your Behance project. So I'm about to show you a way better method for doing this. It's still free, but it's faster, easier. You don't need Photoshop, you don't need Vimeo. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first I've opened up my case study where I've already created the prototypes that I want to show. So let's pick one that has like a good amount of color in it, like a good amount of detail to show how well this works, and that it should work with most prototypes and animations that you're trying to do. So let's play this one. You can see like side to side is how I have my prototypes and animations. So if I just hit play up here, you can see this is what the focus of this animation is, these sliders. And there's like text going on over here that needs to be nice and crisp. And as you can see, lots of different colors. So now that I'm playing my prototype on a loop, and if you want to know how to use prototype mode and like auto animate in Adobe Xd, I have other tutorials on that, but we're gonna skip over that for this tutorial. And I'm just going to hit record on this, kind of get my cursor out of the way here, and let this animation play through 2 or 3 times, and then we're gonna trim it to the perfect loop. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording, and we'll just call this video slider. Okay, we can get out of Xd for now. I'm gonna open this up in QuickTime Player and hit Command T to trim, and I'm just going to trim kind of like one perfect cycle of this animation. So we'll start it there at the beginning, and we'll play through until it goes back to the beginning there. I'll hit trim. I'm gonna do Command S to save, and I'm gonna save this as trimmed. Okay, I have trimmed. I can get rid of the other one just to make my life easier. And now I'm gonna show you how to make this into a GIF. So open up the App Store. This is completely free, this app. If you're on a Mac, it's called GIF Ski, GIFSKI. It looks like this. If you are on a Windows, a very similar app is called GIF Tuna. One of my followers told me about this, so I can't take credit, but it is pretty much the same thing just for Windows. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm just going to drag this trimmed video right into there. Now we can mess with the settings a bit. So for my Behance case study, all of my artboards are 1920 pixels wide. So I'm going to change it to that. This is estimating this GIF is going to be 1.7 megabytes, which is fine. I like to stay between 1 and 2 megabytes. But honestly, Behance can probably handle even more than that. You'll have to just mess around. I have the quality all the way up. I've also exported with the quality down to here, and it still looks really good. But since this is pretty short, I can afford to go all the way up. You can increase the frames per second a bit. And yeah, that's about it. That's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna hit convert. Okay, now all that's left to do is add this to our Behance project. So I'm going to open up mine, and this is kind of my work in progress. I already have a bunch of different images in here. So I'm just going to hit image. Whenever you're adding a GIF, it's just like adding an image. So I'm going to select this GIF that we just made with GIF Ski. It's going to load super fast down here automatically to the bottom, but we can really easily reorder them by hitting this icon. So now we can just grab this, pull it up, and put it exactly where we want it. I'm gonna do save new order, and now let's see what it looks like. There we go, perfect. It looks super seamless, looks really crisp, and yeah, that's exactly what we were going for. All right guys, hope that was helpful. I will never not use GIF Ski ever again. It has really changed the game for me and saved me so much time. So hope that you download it too. Like I said, totally free. This is not sponsored. It just works the best based on everything that I've tried. So I hope this is helpful. If you like this video, you might want to check out some of my other tutorials. I will leave a link to a playlist down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Bye!